To me, it was a dream coming true.
We have really good industrial links.
The facility is great. The tutors are very good.
People should study engineering at UC Leeds because we are very special. We have small group sizes and also the individualized support and tutorials what they have.
So joining engineering, it was like finding myself in my own environment. A very good platform because it caters for everybody.
We have a very diverse group of students, which includes students who are working in the industry and students who have just finished their school studies. And this combination promotes really great teamwork within the classroom and even beyond.
As long as a person shows willingness to learn, there is a setup to support him.
I live in Leeds, so I wanted to keep things easier for myself.
The location, I think it's ideal because that's in the city centre, easily approachable by public transport, by car.
Someone should come to University Centre Leeds because the facility is great and everything is there for them to be successful.
When we design our courses, our modules, we always consult with the industrial partners. Once they are in the course, they could be approached by industrial partners and they can get a job easily, even while they are on the course.
But since I've joined the course, with the placement, I found out how this course will be preparing me for the future.